Reverend R.G. Laloo, fondly known as Pastor Reuben, along with Elder T Nongkhlaw, both of the Laitumkrah Presbyterian Church, Shillong, while on a field mission, had allegedly been harassed by members of the Bajrang Dal while in Bihar on the 11th of April 2023. It was informed that following the incident, both church leaders were taken to the police station in Bihar and later released after Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma, along with the Meghalaya Police, had intervened into the matter. Through social media messages, Pastor Reuben had informed that both he and Elder Nongkhlaw are safe and are on their way back to Guwahati by flight from Bihar before returning home to Shillong this evening.